Hey everybody, in today's video, we're doing a review and tutorial on the Fidelity Bloom app, an app that you may not be too familiar with from Fidelity. Now I'm calling this a review first and tutorial second because the focus is going to be on the features and benefits of what this app can do for you, but I'm also going to show you how it works through screenshots and different peeks inside the app so that by the time you're done watching this whole video, you should have a good idea and feeling for how the app actually works once you're inside. So first, let's talk about what Fidelity Bloom is. Fidelity Bloom is branded as a psychological tool to help you seamlessly improve your savings and spending habits. It does this through a variety of features that it contains, which I'll talk about as we go on through this video. Fidelity Bloom is only offered in mobile form, so you'll have to download this app onto your tablet or phone to use. But once you download it, you'll be directed to open two separate accounts within Fidelity, one spending account and one savings account. Now the purpose of adding two separate accounts, one savings, one spending in Fidelity Bloom, is to slowly increase your financial well-being. Fidelity cites studies that say that when you separate these two accounts, the overall financial health of an individual increases. Now I'm going to talk through some of their core features that you get in these accounts and how this works, and then really evaluate if they are actually useful for you. So in Bloom, your savings and spending accounts work hand in hand. You'll fund one or the other, and Fidelity will issue you a debit card that will be automatically mailed to you for your use. When you spend money in your spending account, a variety of passive features kick in on Fidelity Bloom that will help automate your savings process and make it easier for you to save money without really having to think about it. Some of these core benefits are a 10-cent kickback from every single purchase that you make, cashback shopping, an annual savings match, bonus offers that come along from time to time, and a roundup feature for your spare change. Now, I want to talk about three of these a little bit more in depth, the three that I see as being the most valuable features that you'll use most often on Fidelity Bloom. The first is a 10-cent cashback offer on each purchase. Now the 10-cent cashback offer is as simple as it sounds. Fidelity will credit your account with 10 cents that go into your Fidelity savings account every time you make a purchase on the debit card. Now it may sound simple, but the ideal strategy to maximize your rewards with this benefit is to use the Fidelity debit card on smaller purchases. If you buy anything under, say, about $10, you'll at least get a 1% cashback match on your purchase, which is pretty comparable to any good cashback credit cards out there. Their second big category is called cashback shopping. Now, inside the app, you'll see a variety of retailers. I tried to go through and count them, and upon further research, I found out why I couldn't. There's over 1,000 retailers in here that Fidelity has partnerships to get you cashback offers. Now, a lot of them, you have to start accounts or subscriptions that you probably wouldn't normally, but there are some really popular retailers in here that you can get pretty decent cashback offers with. Remember, you have to shop inside the Fidelity app portal, so scan through the different retailers when you're making common purchases, and Fidelity likely has a partnership that could get you some pretty good cash back on your regular purchases. And the third core feature that you're going to use often in Fidelity Bloom is what I call advanced roundups. Now Fidelity just calls these roundups, but I'm terming them as advanced roundups because you're getting more with Fidelity Bloom than you get with other companies that offer you roundups. In Fidelity Bloom, you can specifically customize how much you want to round up on every purchase, whether it's through a dollar amount or a percent of that purchase going up to $10 or 10%, which could really help you automate your savings. Like the other features, all rewards rounded up with your debit card will be deposited into your savings account. Now, if you stop here, you may think that the 10 cents back on every swipe, the cashback shopping portal, or the advanced roundups are all Fidelity has to offer with this debit card. Now, if you do that, you're going to be missing out on some other secondary features which are actually pretty solid, some which I would say are even more valuable than those primary core features of the app. The first is the savings percentage within the app. Fidelity will deposit any saved money into a money market account that currently pays just under 4.75% APY. Now, this is a feature that fluctuates. It goes up and down based on the current governmental interest rates, but right now, that's one of the best interest rates out there that you can get at any high yield savings account in America. That comes with no strings attached. You can access your money easily, and I think is one of the critical features that this account really doesn't market publicly, but that's an awesome benefit for getting Fidelity Bloom. A secondary feature that is not quite as useful is the second button over from the left called Challenges, which Fidelity Bloom uses to educate you on savings and spending habits. Now, I'll roll a few up as I'm talking, just to the right of my head. But these challenges are about as useless as the examples that I'm showing up on the screen. It's a series of financial prompts asking you to essentially think about the way you spend and save money, but don't really teach you very much. The final feature within this app could be a very useful one whenever you have a birthday or big life event that comes around, and that is a gift card exchange. It's a really unique feature for a financial app, but in the Fidelity Bloom app, you can input your gift card information to a lot of popular retailers like Target, Home Depot, Dick's Sporting Goods, etc. They're all in there, and get about a 80 to 90% value for the amount you have left on the balance of your gift card. So overall, what are my thoughts about Fidelity Bloom, and who is this most beneficial for? So if you're looking for an app that offers quality savings opportunities and a great interest rate to go along with it, Fidelity Bloom is really going to work for you. The two best features are in the core of this app. The automatic money market that you get put into, which offers a 4.74% APY, which is top of the market right now, and the passive income ways to increase your savings. That's through cranking up that automatic roundups, so you're constantly depositing money into your savings account without even realizing it. If you combine the Roundups feature with an automatic deposit feature to continue to put money into your Fidelity Bloom savings account and just let the money grow at 4.74%, I think you're gonna be surprised at how quickly you'll have a little nest egg built up. What the app will not do, however, is one, effectively change your spending habits through their challenges section, which is supposed to be an educational portal to make you a better spender and saver. The challenges are just too elementary and really don't provide real value to make you think about your spending and savings habits in any different way than you probably do right now. The second part is you're not going to access these 1,000+ retailers and get any meaningful money in those cashback discounts. Having the restriction of only getting those cashback rewards through the Fidelity shopping portal is just one step further that you can't instinctively go purchase what you were going to anyways. You've got to go on this workaround and go through the app to get those cashback rewards that over time, it's just not going to end up in anything significant because you have to change your spending patterns too much to get that cash back and get that built up to anything meaningful. So because the app does some things in automating savings really well and offering a great interest rate, but is still clunky and honestly has information that you don't need inside its core features, I'm giving this a 3 out of 5. I honestly believe everybody needs a good savings app with a quality debit card. Fidelity offers a seamless reward system that you can really passively take advantage of to start building savings. If you have any questions about how to use this app, please drop them in the comments down below. As always, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.